Hello. Hello. But today me and my grandfather are going to make a rocket and a sundial.
I have already done, such as the circle for the bottom of the sundial. Okay. Then now this will be stuck onto this by a baby quick or something like that. And from here you will have to take first fold this into 4. Then the center point will be marked. Okay. Then once the center point is fixed, then you have to draw. There are 12 hours to 12 hours to a circle, right?
Yes.
So 12 hours means 30 degrees you have to mark everywhere. There 30 degrees is really lateral. It's all written here. 30 degrees up to 360 degrees. So you will have 12 small pizza pieces. Okay. So you draw them by pencil, and then at the corners where the pizza piece corners are there, 12 pieces, you will have to draw. You will have to draw 1, 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, like that. Say all those numbers. If you want the help of a stencil, you can have a stencil, or you can draw it by yourself. Also.
There are no numbers.
But these are small. But if they are little small for you, better to draw them by felt pen, big ones, and nicely, okay, and
what are those
nicely.
straws?
And then the straw, one straw is for the rocket, that will keep it aside, and this will be the this thing will go upstairs later on, and then we'll have a small hole here by scissors. And then we'll cut and put all these inside,
Yes.
We'll have like this,
Diagonally.
And not diagonally, because the earth is not spinning around the earth at right angle.
Yeah, it is.
The
You
earth
know,
is
na?
tilted.
A little
Tilted.
tilted.
So we'll have to see what tilt is there, so that the shadow correctly falls at. Now we'll be probably finishing by 12 o'clock or 1 o'clock. Maybe. So we'll see where the shadow falls, and there we'll fix it, and then every hour we'll go on watching how it happens.
Yes.
And then the shadow will come here. At 3 o'clock the shadow will come here at the same. So we'll fix it up at 12 o'clock or 12:30 by moving this here and there. And then we will see. Then it will be our.
Then we'll mark the.
Then we'll go to Nini Mama's terrace where the sun is plenty,
Yes.
and will not be disturbed by this thing, by shadows or this thing. So Nini Mama's all the time sun is coming.
Yes.
So every hour or 2 hours you can go and watch whether your sundial is working or not.
Yes.
Okay. So now you have got the whole story. So now first duty is slightly aside.
Nicely press, huh? Perfect line.
Okay. Now hold it again. No, this way.
Now open it.
Open it and then fold it again. This side. Wait, correct.
Same.
Okay. So now we'll have to have pakka 12 pizza pieces. So now here, this is now we'll have whichever you would like. On your side we'll see that. Okay. So this is 0 is here. Okay. And 180 degrees is here. So we will mark this. We'll mark this. So we'll not miss this point, no?
Yeah.
We'll not miss this point. And we'll put this square on here. So, okay. So where is the 0? Where's the 0? Where's the 0? Okay. So now we will. So this is the 0. Okay.
Yeah.
So then of course there will be some word here. 12 o'clock, 3 o'clock, 6 o'clock, 9 o'clock.
I think this is 12.
Now, this is 3, this is 6, this is 9. But you are worried about the other 3 pizza pieces, no?
Yeah.
So you will have to have mark here on 30 degrees, Here there are 90 degrees now. See.
So
Mark is
30,
there.
60, 90.
So.
त्याला डिग्रीज
Okay.
माहित नाही.
Yeah.
So I.
You jump 3 places. 1, 2, 3
Here
places.
also.
नाही नंतर नाही पिझ्झा 12 पीसेस झाले पिझ्झाचे ह्याचे 3 पीसेस झाले की
Yes.
याचे 3 कर आता
3, 6,
pieces
9.
So 1. So here.
नाही राजा दिस इज 20 डिग्री यू आर गेटिंग इट इथं सोपं आहे तुझं इथं 30 ला मार्क कर
30.
इथं सोपं झालं तुझं
30.
60 ला मार्क करा पाहिजे
30, 60. This is 60. Right?
हां
Just count
now
10, 10,
90.
120 तुला आता ॲड होईल ना 30 ॲड कर
120.
120 मध्ये 30 ॲड केलं तर किती
150.
हां मग ॲड किती तर मार्क कर
Done.
आणि इथलं मार्क राहिलं हे छोटंसं ओके
And that below also. Oh, that.
हा नाही हे झालं आता तुझी हे झाले बक्कल हा पॉइंट
You hold
पकडायचा
the stencil and I'll mark.
अरे हे तू एका हाताने करायला पाहिजे कुठे पेन्सिल होल्ड हा पॉइंट मार्क करून घे हा पेंट हा बस तो जरा टिपका मोठा कर तुला लक्षात यायला पाहिजे ना तिथं इथं 2 मार्क होणार आहे 2
तिथे पण मार्क व्हायलाच पाहिजे.
This is in the center.
त्याला कळलं.
Three, 4.
No moving the page. It is like this. You just write the way it is.
6. 7. 8.
Bigger.
Huh?
Bigger.
9. 10.
Very good.
11.
बस झालं.